What is up, everyone? Welcome back to AstroQuiz. This is that free app that I downloaded. It is an astronomy learning app. It has two modes right here. This is just the free version. Last time we went over like the letter unscrambling, completed level 10. Even though it says that we didn't, there's nothing that we missed. I went over it, so it's just a glitch in the app, I think, maybe. You can see here I completed this level to 107% somehow. Yeah, we're overdoing it, but let's jump right into the other part. This is, I also think last time I had like the language settings, and it's like the default language settings were in a different language. So yeah, I switched it back to English, and it didn't make it very much easier to understand or not understand. I mean, I was able to understand it just fine before, but yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right into level 1. See how far we get. Maybe just go to level 5 today or something. What type of astronomical object is visible in this image? Ooh, that is the the Helix Nebula, right? What is the branch of physics that deals with the study of celestial objects and phenomena in the universe? Astrophysics. Which of the following astronauts was the first to walk on the moon? That was Neil Armstrong. Name of the phenomenon in which the moon passes in front of the sun, totally or partially blocking its light from Earth. So, if the moon passes in front of the sun, that means the sun, or sol in Latin, solar system, is the moon is blocking the sun is being eclipsed, so it is a solar eclipse. What property of light provides us with information about the temperature of a celestial object? I always forget this one, the brightness or the color. Pretty sure it's the color? What is the name of the space telescope launched in NASA in 1990? Launched by NASA. Hubble. Uses visible spectrum. What astronomical cycle is represented in this image? So we got a bunch of suns, a bunch of stars. You can see it ranges from 1996 to 2006, it looks like, so we're going to hit a solar cycle. Of the solar. What type of celestial object is the Large Magellanic Cloud? See, the Large Magellanic Cloud sounds like, like the Oort cloud or like a region of space, but it thinks it's a galaxy. And that was the last level. We completed it. Alright, go to the next level. Alright, what type of subatomic particle, similar to the electron but with a positive charge, forms in the core of a star during nuclear fusion? So the positron is the antimatter counterpart to electrons with the positive charge, but I honestly didn't know that they were made in the sun. I was referring to neutrinos, but we're going to go with positron! It's an antimatter particle. What astronomical parameter describes the distance between Earth and the Sun? That is an astronomical unit, or AU. Where is a black hole commonly found in a galaxy? They can be all over the place, man, but it's usually in the center. Primary source of energy in the interior of the Sun, nuclear fusion, not fission. Name the planet in the image, bro. That's Antares, Mars. I think it's Antares, right? If Jupiter were to acquire more mass, it would cease to be a planet and would become a brown dwarf star. Which constellation contains the North Star and is used for navigation in the northern hemisphere? Polaris is part of Ursa Minor, otherwise known as the Little Bear, and that contains the asterism the Little Dipper. And the last question, what is the name of the moon phase in which we see less than half illuminated from Earth? The third quarter? Alright so far. Name the planet in the image. Bro, that's obviously Earth. What is the name of the comet that collided with Jupiter in 1994? Shoemaker-Levy 9. Right? What technique is commonly used to detect extrasolar planets? Bro, we use a whole bunch of stuff, but I think they wanted to go with the transit. What astronomical instrument is used to measure the brightness of stars? Ooh. Photometer? Measures photons or something like that? I don't know. What is the name of the concept that describes the total amount of mass and energy in the universe which remains constant over time? The law of conservation of mass and energy. Something like that. What is the closest star to Earth? Well, if you're talking about another star outside of our solar system, it would be Proxima Centauri or Alpha Centauri. I think it's a triple binary or triple system, right? But in our solar system, kind of a trick question, it would be the sun. That is our star. What is the force that keeps a planet in orbit around the sun? Ooh, gravity. What is the largest planet in the solar system? What do you guys think, huh? Jupiter. Alright, we completed level 10. I mean level 1, I'm sorry. I know how to count. Alright, let's go on to level 2. Alright, what type of light is emitted by hot objects such as stars and has shorter wavelengths than visible light? So, I think the spectrum goes from like gamma rays to radio waves, shorter to longer wavelengths or something. We're gonna go with microwaves, infrared. What is the name of the process by which a telescope corrects light dispersion and improves image quality? Optical adaptation? What is the name of the space mission that placed the Perseverance rover on the surface of Mars to search for signs of past life? Mars 2020! That wasn't a good year for Earth. What is the name of the phenomenon that occurs when two stars orbit around a common center of mass, gravitationally affecting each other? Now, it looks like they included one of the answers in the question accidentally, probably like a small programming error, but hey, you gotta give them credit, it's alright. We're gonna go with, stellar supernova! The property of a telescope refers to its ability to show fine details and separate nearby objects in the sky. Resolution? What is the name of the physical law that states that every object at rest stays at rest, and every object in motion that tends to stay in motion with constant speed unless acted on by an external force? Law of inertia. What is that, like the second, third? What is the name of the celestial object composed mainly of hydrogen and helium that is found at the center of a planetary system? Star. Which of these celestial objects is a black hole? Ooh. For any of those who haven't seen Interstellar, go watch it right now. The black hole. Probably would have been realistic black holes. I'm right. What astronomical process is illustrated in the image? Bro, that's the collision of galaxies or galaxies hugging each other. You know, you gotta use positive words here. Embrace. Bro, they're colliding. Wiping out all the light. Name the planet in the image. Bro, it kind of looks like Mars, kind of looks like Venus. I think we're going to Venus. Maybe Mercury? I think there's more pictures of that, more recent pictures of that. What is a comet? A celestial body composed of ice, dust, and gases. Bro, if that's the longest answer compared to all the other ones, that's gotta be right. Which of the following planets is termed a dwarf planet? Ooh, Pluto. Which one of these is Pluto? I think it's this one over here, looking like some red velvet cake ball or something. What is the main function of a space telescope like Hubble? Ooh, to observe the universe from space with interference of Earth's atmosphere. What is the name of the technique that uses the variation in the arrival time of radio pulses from a pulsar to detect planets orbiting around it? If you could hear anything I just spat out, I think we're gonna go with pulsar timing. That wasn't what I picked, but okay. We're gonna go with, in which lunar phase does a solar eclipse occur? The new moon? At least I got that one right. It's Aurora Borealis. Or Aurora. The world's been seeing a lot of that. Especially in North America. Last couple of months in 2024. Taking the distance to the sun as a reference, choose the 5th planet of the solar system. Bro, okay, so here we go. We got Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Did I get that right? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Bro, we got like Eris in there. We got like a whole bunch of celestial bodies in there. Okay, so what the fuck? Saturn, I forgot. Lightly. What is a minutes light travels in 1 year? What is the name of the constellation depicted in the image? I think that's one of the northern hemisphere constellations, Taurus, the Bull. What is the name of the galaxy that houses the solar system? The Milky Way. That's a galaxy. What is the name of the command module of the Apollo 11 mission? I don't remember. What the hell? What is the rotation period of Earth? So Earth rotates once every, like, 23 point something hours, right? Basically 24 hours or 24 point something. What is the common designation for celestial objects that emit their own light, such as the sun? Bro, that's a star. All star stuff. What instrument is commonly used in observational astronomy to collect light from celestial objects? A hologram, obviously. Telescope. Well, that was level 2. And let's give level 3 a knock. Ooh, so we got some more questions. So yeah, that one had 10 on the last one. Let's check the first one. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 10, 8, 10, 10. All right, let's go. What is the term the angular distance between two stars in the night sky? Ooh, so without even looking at the answers, I don't know. So we're going to look at the answers. Angular separation. That definitely seems like the right one. See, multiple choice makes everything easier. What is the name of the atmospheric phenomena that affects the quality of astronomical observation from Earth? Atmospheric absorption? It gets atmospheric turbulence. What the hell? What is the name of the outer layer of the sun shown in the image during a total solar eclipse? The corona? The chromosphere? It's one of those two. I'm gonna go with the chromosphere. Damn it. What is the name of Earth's natural satellite? The moon. Luna. What is the name of the smallest planet in the solar system? The smallest canon actual planet that's not a dwarf planet, I guess, would have to be Mercury. Closest to the sun. What is the name of the process by which the core of a massive star collapses and leads to a powerful explosion? Now that's a supernova right there. What is a sidereal year? Ooh. The time it takes for Earth to complete one revolution. Time it takes for the moon. Time it takes for Earth. One revolution around the sun. 165 days. What part of the solar system is highlighted in the image? The whole damn thing. What do you mean? Planets. Let's see. We can use context clues. Alright. I think we're going to call it for that one. We did 3 levels. We'll do another 3 levels next time. Get to level 6 or level 7 or something like that. Start from level 4, 5, and 6. Or yeah, I don't know. We'll figure it out. And then we'll just bang out the last couple. And yeah. So thanks for watching, everybody. This has been episode 2 or part 2 of me playing AstroQuiz. I really enjoy doing these educational astronomy type things, especially if it's basically a game, you know. So this has basically been a let's play or educational walkthrough or an annoying video of me talking about some astronomical concepts. So thank you very much to the developers for making this game. Thank you for watching, and I hope you all have a stellar day.